Yo, you know what? Like, the thing that's happening right now is a preparation of what you've prayed for. There are no mistakes, only lesson learned. If it wasn't for the struggle you've been through or you've going through, basta yon, hindi ka ganun magiging ka-strong eh. God is always building you up, even if it feels like He's breaking you. Kasi it's for your own good, and you may not know the reason why it's happening right now, but sooner or later you will know it along the way. It's okay to eat alone. No one understands your vision because God gave it to you and not to them. So keep going. And you know what I realized it is your mom is not your enemy. She's the only woman in this world who wants the best for you. Kasi moms knows best eh. She can always feel and na kung ano yung gusto niya at nakakabuti sa anak niya. And then you know what, like, forgiveness will make you feel lighter. Holding on to anger, grudge, hate, and bitterness will hinder your blessings. Don't be afraid to be different and never betray yourself just to please others. Kasi if you're trying to please others and you try to fit in, alam mo yon, like parang hindi mo na na-express yung totoong ikaw, and then you know what, pleasing other people is really sucks kasi hindi ka nagpapakatotoo sa sarili mo. And it's okay to say no, and people will not like you, and it's not the end of the world. Every no you get is necessary, so you can deserve a yes. What you say to yourself is what matter the most, and it's okay you feel, at least you've tried. You know what, like, if Jesus is all you have, then you have everything. Alam mo yun, don't be scared to be alone. Don't be scared kapag sobrang overwhelming. You just have to find your inner peace, and you just need to surrender everything. Yes, hindi mo man makikita yung mga kasagutan sa ngayon, but God will always use people to guide you, you know. Alam mo yun, yung in unexpected situations, He will always find someone else, and God will never give struggles or problem na hindi mo kayang lampasan kasi kilala na tayo ni God eh. Alam mo yung desire mo, hindi man siya nangyayari sa ngayon kasi baka may kailangan ka pang i-develop sa character mo, may kailangan ka pang matutunan. Kasi kapag nakuha mo yung agad-agad yung wish mo or yung desire na yun na hindi ka pa ready, maaring masayang lang yon kasi hindi mo siya ma-appreciate eh. God have always His perfect timing. Alam mo yun, like, everything happens for a reason nga. And naniniwala pa rin talaga ako na if it's meant to be, it will find its way. Kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Kaya wag kang mag-overthink dyan. Bye!